Acha beta, I will work as your mentor also, mentor of your class. So if you are having any kind of the problem related to your classmates, related to your personal problem, family problem, or any other kind of the problem, you can share all the problems with me. Are you getting it? So one teacher has been assigned as a mentor of each and every class. So you can personally talk to me. You can talk to me in the classroom as well. Anytime you can talk to me. Okay, to extending the support to the entire class, to all the students, this facility has been provided to all of you. Okay beta, and don't get hesitated in sharing any of the problem. So everything is going smoothly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Incremented
Yes,
PC again. No.
ठीक है. Then you can continue.
Now the next step will be output. Yes.
And then keep on noticing कि आपका register में भी, as you are going to make a change, or as you are going to run the debug statement, and as the control is going switching from one statement to another, accordingly the changes are being made in the registers, in the contents of the registers.
Yes, ma'am.
You can convert it in binary if you want to, anyway, otherwise. So you can see that as and when the control is coming to the right statement, PC has been incremented, and eventually whenever the control came to stop statement, again one time it was incremented. And every time the
Yes.
contents are transferring from PC to AR. As and when the contents are being transferred from PC to AR, the AR, you can say see a change in the contents of AR also. Earlier 2 was there in PC, 2 has been transferred, and next time 3
Yes.
is the recent value of PC, and 3 will be transferred to, yeah. Now it's okay. Yes. Good,
Now
very good,
and
Ayush, very good. I'm giving you 1 star because it's a very good attempt. I will give the star to each and every one of you who will be performing in the class.
okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Now means
Yes,
can
yes.
I stop the screen share?
And you
ma'am,
can, and who just located the error? That
ma'am,
this error?
Nitesh Sharma. Nitesh
Nitesh,
Sharma.
yes, Nitesh, I'm giving you 1 star as well.
Ma'am,
Very, just hold on, just hold on. Let me give you star. You still now have been given 2 stars. And what's your name? Nitesh. Nitish.
yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, Nitesh Sharma. 4162.
Just hold on. Wait. Nitish. एक आपका नितिश यादव है. अच्छा, नितेश शर्मा.
Yes, ma'am.
Nitesh. Okay. Nitesh, I have given you 1 star. Very good. Yes, next.
Ma'am, मैं ही हूँ नितेश शर्मा.
मैम कैन आई स्टार्ट
मैम
नितेश, हाँ बोलो नितेश. यस,
मैम ये जो रीड वाला था वो तो मेरा चल गया था प्रोग्राम,
ठीक है.
और जो मैंने एडिशन वाला किया था ना मैम उसमें दिक्कत आ रही है,
I
वो
will
करवा
I
दे
will
एक बारी.
discuss. I will discuss. Prior to that, yes, who would like to discuss the query? Pramod, you were saying you are having some doubt.
Ma'am, my doubt has also been resolved. The same mistake I was
Resolve.
doing.
Okay. So, and what is the status of other students?
मैम आई एम
Whether all
हैविंग
of you have
डाउट
executed?
माय स्टॉप स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट वर्किंग.
Your Girish, no?
यस मैम.
Girish, your program is not working. You can share your screen. We will resolve your doubts.
ओके मैम.
How many of you have executed successfully the very first program, that is reading a
Ma'am,
number and displaying it? Nitesh
ma'am,
has done.
ma'am, both like addition of two numbers as well as reading a number and displaying it. Ma'am, both are successfully done.
क्या क्या अभिज्ञान क्या कह रहे हैं आप? कह रहे हैं ना? कौन
No,
कौन
ma'am,
दो?
ma'am, Vivek.
विवेक यस. आपके कौन कौन से दो हुए?
Ma'am, reading a number from console and then outputting it, and then addition of two numbers, both taken
Very
from
good.
console.
Now next will be the turn of Vivek. Vivek will explain his programs. Okay, Girish, please go ahead.
हेलो गिरीश.
Yes, Girish.
स्टेटस में 3 आएगा ना?
यस मैम, स्टेटस में
Yes,
2
ma'am.
या 3 बिट्स आएगी, रजिस्टर में 16 लिखा हुआ उन्होंने।
Yes, preferably make
Yes,
use of
ma'am.
2 or 3 bits. ठीक है, make this change. पहले कर लो change.
ये चेंज तो हो गया मैम। नेक्स्ट अभी
Now go ahead. Save your file and run it again. Prior to executing, save your file. Girish, had you made use of debug mode for execution?
no ma'am.
Then what was the significance that I told you in the last class? Just in order to locate the problem. Debug helps you to locate the problem.
Ma'am, in this
So it is
file
going
it's
into the
it's going infinite, and in other file I've made it's showing syntax error.
we will make use of debug mode and then we will be able to locate the error. Prior to that, you can show your settings, all your micro instructions. You can show the size of memory, reset everything, and now show step by step.
That's memory, ma'am. Condition
Memory
bit.
size. They show the size of memory.
From hardware modules.
Go to modify, click on modify, drop down menu will appear. And
Ma'am,
then,
is my screen
go
visible?
to- yeah, sure.
I have opened type of modules. Is it visible?
No.
No.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Some sound, disturbing sound is coming.
Ma'am, now it's visible.
Yeah, it's visible. Come to memory, yes. Achha, one of the student had sent me a message that he was having a problem in stop statement, execution of stop statement.
Ma'am, it
Who
was
that?
me.
Achha, Girish. Okay.
That's the RAM.
That's
Condition
okay.
bit.
Status, right. 1 bit you have given assigned to halt bit, right? Correct.
Next. Fetch sequence.
Explain the fetch sequence as well. Explain it.
First, ma'am, data is transferred from PC to AR.
Okay.
That's PC. PC to source is PC and destination is AR.
Right.
And number of bits 12.
Right. Correct.
Next, data is transferred from main memory address register to IR register.
Correct. Show its micro instruction.
Address should be AR, no.
Just show
Data.
it. Address. Yes. Address register should be AR, not IR. On extreme right hand side.
Should be yes. AR and
The main memory from the
Data-
address location of AR.
एक minute.
yeah.
एक मिनट डेटा एक मिनट go back हाँ yes go back yes direction should be read Memory, yes, so data should be read from memory, and data should be placed in IR. AR should work as a address register. Clear? Now, okay. So that
Next
means
is
there was a
increment in
problem
PC.
in fetch sequence. Huh?
Next is
Increment.
increment in PC.
Show it. 8 minutes. None. Right. It's okay.
Next is decode IR.
Just show it. Correct. Save the machine and run it. Save the machine. Machine as well as text file. Okay, input the data. Now it's
Yes,
working
ma'am.
correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Girish, very good attempt. I'm giving you 1 star.
Ma'am, can I open one more machine?
Sure, why not? Girish, till now you got 2 stars. Very good. Yes, what is the problem in this machine?
Ma'am, it's syntax error. It's on syntax error. Assembly error.
We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Just open the statement micro instruction corresponding to read.
That's fetch.
रीड अच्छा फैच है आपका पहले रीड दिखा दो फिर फैच पे जाते हैं जस्ट होल्ड ऑन रीड का साइज आपका 16 बिट 12 बिट्स आपके असाइन हुए अनयूज्ड को 4 बिट्स असाइन हुए कोई कोड को एंड implementation part input to AC is correct, seems to be correct.
Next is stop.
Stop दिखाओ.
Format copy code unused 12.
Unused 12, right.
Implementation hold execution. Hold bit 1.
Correct. Fetch दिखाओ.
इसमें 2 बार एक्सेस है मेमोरी का
Oof.
इसलिए
That's the error. Memory decode.
किसने point out किया? Yes. Who has
मनीष
pointed? What's your name?
मनीष शर्मा
Manish, very good. How many programs you have executed successfully?
प्रोग्राम
हैं?
both the programs
Both. Which both?
addition of 2 number
Very good. I am giving you 1 star, and you will have to explain both the programs by sharing your screen because you have helped him in locating the error. So I am giving you 1 star. Manish, what's your roll number? It's 54. 55. Manish Sharma, na?
yes ma'am
Yes. Okay. Very good, Manish. Very good. Well done. Now, into the infinite loop, we'll make use of debug statement in order to locate the error.
Ma'am, same error.
That will be the logical error. Go to the fetch statement. And earlier there was error in both
मेमोरी
separate-
एक्सेस में जाना.
Yes. एड्रेस में आपने क्या दिया है? अब तो ठीक है आपका. मेमोरी में इट इज शोइंग. अच्छा, यू हैव गिवन नेम एम. रीड कर रहे हैं आपका डेटा. आपका आईआर में गया. एड्रेस रजिस्टर, एआर इज द एड्रेस रजिस्टर. इट्स करेक्ट. आपका पीसी रजिस्टर है एंड डेल्टा इज 1. करेक्ट. इट इज करेक्ट.
Next, decoder here.
It is again correct.
And
Just
last,
make sure. हाँ, last करो.
that's the error.
आपने ये नंबर ऑफ बिट्स
ए से होगा. AR की जगह.
एक
Okay,
मिनट
ma'am.
एक मिनट. आपने पीसी से किस में डाला? एआर आएगा यहाँ. आपने एसी लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ, लिखने में गलती की है मैंने यहाँ पे.
वहाँ चेक करो जाके.
यहाँ पे मैम पहले AR था, मैंने
यहाँ-
अभी AC डाल दिया. पहले AR ही लिखा
एआर
हुआ.
करो और लिखने में एआर करो. निमोनिक नेम में भी चेंज करो. और नंबर ऑफ बिट्स आपके 12 हैं. सेव करो. And make sure that you have given end statement after
Yes, ma'am.
the group of each and every micro instructions. Run it again. अब ये which error it is going to show you.
रीड और स्टॉप में कोई.
Show the micro instructions.
Micro instruction, machine instructions.
Machine instruction, sorry, and the
Machine.
read ones.
4 OP code, 12 unused. Implementation input AC.
Once open the means unused one.
Unused one. That,
In edit fields.
yeah.
Yes, or ignored means turn it to ignore and remove the signed.
Yeah, you have given required. Required will not work. Yes,
Ignored.
it should be
Ma'am, I have to
ignored.
give ignored.
अनयूज्ड वाली इग्नोर होगी.
To unused.
Unused को ignored करो.
Ignored या
And-
optional.
Ignored.
Okay.
And turn off signed. Yes.
Ma'am, in a PDF, they were signed on.
बेटा, it can work in both the manners. साइन बिट का क्या मीनिंग होगा? वेरी फर्स्ट बिट विल वर्क एज ए साइन बिट. चाहे आप साइन रखो चाहे अनसाइंड रखो. ठीक है. साइंड एंड अनसाइंड का विल स्टडी इन 3rd chapter.
Now try once.
Internally, how data is being stored, it basically relates to that. कि whether it is being stored in signed form or it is stored in unsigned form. It hardly matters.
Yes.
Now it's working perfectly.
Oh, it's
Yes.
working. Thank you,
Good,
ma'am.
very good, very good, very good. Now, who will explain the add program? Either Vivek or Manish. Both of you have done successfully.
Ma'am, can I do?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Vivek, you do. Yeah, Vivek, you do it. Yes, boys are responding. What about the girls? Have you executed the programs, girls? Neha, Ananta. What about you?
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Busy doing the CSA assignment.
Ananta, you have done it?
No, ma'am, I have completed my CSA assignment, but not CPU sim.
But beta, you are supposed to do. You have to be. You have to cop up with the pace of the class. Else you will not be able to implement. It's
Yes,
not
ma'am,
like
I
that.
tried
Done the read statement program, read and stop.
Very good, Neha. You will explain. And in addition to Neha, who else has done? Girls or other boys? Only few are responding. Mention it on the chat box. Who have done? Yash has done. Very good. Mention it on chat box. I will note it down. कि किसके हुए हैं किसके नहीं हुए. Performance will be counted. Read statement. Yash has done read statement. All the students mention their status in the chat box. Skand has done. Very good. What else? Who else? स्कंद की एड एंड रीड दोनों हो गई. नेहा ने रीड कर लिया. राजवीर ओनली रीड स्टेटमेंट. यस. हु एल्स? मेंशन इट इन द चैट बॉक्स. All the students. All are supposed to do their practical programs. I have done read. अभिज्ञान ने किया. रीड किया मनीष. हिमांक ओनली रीड स्टेटमेंट. Nitesh, Gargi, I have done read statement. Ayush ने read किया and Anupam read statement. Who else? So by tomorrow, all of you are supposed to do till addition of 2 numbers. Who has not done earlier, वो पहले read करेंगे. जिन्होंने कर लिया read, they will do addition, subtraction and multiplication. मॉर्निंग में आपका लैब टाइमिंग 9 ऑनवर्ड्स हो जाता है. स्टार्ट होता है 9 o'clock से. यू विल ओपन योर लैपटॉप्स फ्रॉम 9 ऑनवर्ड्स. आई विल ज्वाइन यू एट 10 o'clock टुमारो बिकॉज 12 o'clock में by 11:30 I will have to wind up due to the reason I have to go to college for attending some of the meeting. प्रकृषित की फर्स्ट क्लास है. ओके. So whosoever have not done yet now are supposed to download CPU sim and start doing all your programs. Okay. Now Vivek is going to explain. Yes, please, Vivek.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so let me just first show you how my machine is configured. So this is my registers, accumulator, instruction register. MAR is the main address register. MDR, main data register. PC is program counter, and the status bit. And my RAM is the standard 4096 by 4096 words in the 16 bits. Condition bit I have one, the halt bit. Now let me just show you the machine instructions which I have. So the read one uses OP code and unused bits. Stop uses OP code and unused. Write also uses the OP code and unused. Add uses OP code and address because we need the address of the number in order to add. And then to store it in the memory, I have written another one to OP code.
विवेक add को थोड़ा सा elaborate करते हुए आगे बढ़ो.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the instruction format of add? Why you have given this thing? And then explain its implementation part in detail.
Okay, ma'am. So in the add one, I have given OP code for the operation codes and the address because I need the number. I need the address where the number has to be added. So
just hold on. Add का आपने instruction format क्या दिया? OP code and address part. Whereas the address is mandatory. It is required. Required yes, means it is must to give the address. Address क्यों दिया हमने? Because we have initialized. आपने initialize किया है ना source code में कुछ data yes, memory में. Means आपने in downside जो down statement है उसमें आप देखेंगे the value it is 62 है या क्या लिखा हुआ है? Is it data two words की कैपेसिटी में क्या data store करा रहे हैं?
Ma'am, data in two bytes and the default value is 0.
इसमें कुछ value डाल देना ना, 0 मत दो ना, फिर addition कैसे होगी?
Ma'am, both numbers are from the console.
अच्छा, both numbers are from console. Okay.
Yes,
कोई बात नहीं. एक मिनट, आपने क्या किया? Add एक number लिया, दूसरा भी read. फिर then in case you are taking both the numbers from console, then no need to give this initialization statement. It's optional. It is basically used in that case when you are going to store one of the operand value in memory initially, and you are going to read that memory from the read that operand from memory. Are you getting it? So there are
Yes,
two
ma'am.
versions of add statement. One version is that you are going to read one value from input output console with the help of the read statement. Another value you are picking up from the memory that earlier you have initialized with the help of this initialization statement. What is the significance of this statement? This is for initialization of data. Which data? 2 basically refers to not 2 bytes, rather 2 words. It may be 2 bytes or whatever is the size of the words, accordingly its size will be set. And this is the, at present you have initialized value 0 in the memory. But whenever you are taking one value, you are reading one value from the memory, then this number, you should give some of the numerical value in this, so that that value can be added in the another value that you have inputted from the keyboard. Okay, so this address basically refers to the address of that data which is being stored in the memory, where from ultimately that data will be read from that address specifically, and that address basically works as a address part of, means that basically address resides in the 12-bit capacity of this IR register as well. ये आपका IR रजिस्टर में जाएगी एक्चुअली इंस्ट्रक्शन, इसके 12 बिट्स जो इंस्ट्रक्शन का 12 बिट होगा, that actually will work as the address part of your operand which is being stored in the memory. आप जब debug मोड से उसे लाइन बाय लाइन एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, then you can observe कि जो मेमोरी के 12 बिट से एड्रेस, मेमोरी से जिस एड्रेस से डेटा को उठाया गया था, it is exactly same value as stored in the 12-bit capacity of IR register. Yes, beta, go ahead.
Now, so coming on to the implementation, so I have taken the address from IR because IR has the both of them. So I moved it to address register, then from address to data register, and from data register I have taken the values to accumulator, because by default I have taken the value from the
Vivek, please hold on बेटा. आपने ये क्या किया है? AR से क्या किया है? IR में कितने बिट्स को ट्रांसफर कराया? ये तो एक्सप्लेन किया नहीं.
Ma'am, I've taken 12 bits, the standard, where the address part of the IR.
एक मिनट, अब इसके इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट पे आ जाओ. AR से आपने 12 बिट्स उठा के कैसे किए? इसके इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट दिखाओ.
AR.
इसे थोड़ा एनलार्ज, एक मिनट, विजिबिलिटी में इश्यूज है. एनलार्ज कर सकते हो क्या? जूम हो सकता है?
Maybe no.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. तो क्या कर रहे हो आप? बेसिक, हाँ इसे विंडो को बढ़ा लो, विंडो का साइज बढ़ा लो. Yes.
It doesn't seem to affect the size of.
Actually, you are going to do, yes.
So now coming from here, so AR, from IR to AR, the 0 to 11 bits which store the address. So source is IR, the starting bit is 0, the destination is MAR, the address register, and the number of bits is 12. So 0 to 11.
एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट. आपने क्या किया? I think you have not written correctly. Mnemonic name you have not written correctly. IR के 12 बिट्स को उठा के AR में डालना है. आपने AR में 12 बिट्स लगाए हैं mnemonic name में. Rather IR से उठाना है. Though your program internally would be working perfectly, लेकिन आपकी इंटरप्रिटेशन में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कि IR के 12 बिट्स उठा के AR में डालने हैं. Are you getting it? जबकि आपने ये
actually my naming is like this. So IR to AR, the number of bits 0 to 11 bits from IR to AR. I have named it like this.
एक मिनट, आपने IR के 12 बिट्स को उठाया और AR तो बाय डिफॉल्ट है ही 12 बिट कैपेसिटी का, लेकिन IR था 16 बिट की कैपेसिटी का. 16 बिट में से सिर्फ 12 बिट्स को उठाया जा रहा है और कहाँ ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं? AR में कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, और किन बिट से उठा रहे हैं IR को, ये आपने एक्सप्लेन किया. कहाँ से लेकर कहाँ तक की कैपेसिटी के 12 बिट्स उठा रहे हैं? 0 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं.
And the number of bits is 12 here.
हाँ, 0. इसे mnemonic name एक तो चेंज करो, IR पे लगाओ 0 to 12 in place of AR. Yes. कहाँ से उठा रहे हैं? 12 बिट्स को उठा रहे हैं. हाँ, IR से 12 बिट्स उठाए, AR में डाले. AR की बाय डिफॉल्ट कैपेसिटी 12 है, और कहाँ से कहाँ उठाए? 0th लोकेशन से. अब ये मुझे बताओ, ये लेफ्ट इंडेक्सिंग है, राइट इंडेक्सिंग है? वो लेफ्ट से रीड करना स्टार्ट करेगा, राइट से करेगा? बिकॉज अगर आप लेफ्ट से कराएंगे तो डिफरेंट 12 बिट्स आएंगे, राइट से कराएंगे तो डिफरेंट 12 बिट्स आएंगे. ओके, सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि वो बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट बिट्स को एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है. सो जस्ट गो टू द इंडेक्सिंग पार्ट एंड देन गो टू द इट्स इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर्मेट. इंडेक्सिंग दिखाओ इसकी क्या है?
So all the program is actually the right indexed.
शो मी.
And not if you use the not fixing fair. Which one was this
Impure.
one?
In execute options, I think it was there.
या एग्जीक्यूट में आपका
Options indexing starts from right.
right. Yes, now go to the instruction format of add statement. We are talking about the add statement now. See, एक मिनट, just hold on. एक बार ये देखो statement में in the text file, in the assembly language file, all of you can see add consists of add and sum basically. एक तो आपने थोड़ा सा ना ये कंफ्यूज कर दिया बेटा. add और sum आपने दो बार क्यों लिखा add and sum? आपने क्या
Okay,
किया?
that was the
अच्छा,
variable name. That
अच्छा,
was
आप क्या कर रहे हैं कि ऐड करके एक कंसोल से लिया, एक आपने मेमोरी से लिया, उसे जीरो में ऐड किया, जीरो के साथ ऐड करके उसे आपने मेमोरी में स्टोर करा दिया, फिर मेमोरी से उठाया, आपका जो वे है, और मेमोरी से उठा के फिर दूसरा नंबर क्योंकि वो सम वाली लोकेशन पर आ गया, फिर दोनों को ऐड करके आपने ये किया. दिस इज अ लॉन्ग वे टू डू द ऐड प्रोग्राम. दिस इज नॉट द शॉर्टकट वे. एनीवे, आप अपना एक्सप्लेन करो, देन आई विल शो यू अनदर वर्जन.
okay, ma'am. So from add, now coming to the implementation.
एक बार जस्ट होल्ड इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर्मेट पे जाओ. हाँ, अब आप लोग देखेंगे कि आपका राइट इंडेक्सिंग है. राइट इंडेक्सिंग इन द सेंस दैट दिस it is virtually working as a one instruction. आपका राइट मोस्ट बिट से 0th बिट होगा, देन 1th बिट होगा, देन सेकंड बिट होगा, देन 4th बिट होगा, एंड सो ऑन. सो आपका मतलब 12 bits कहाँ लोकेट? यू हैव टू एक्सट्रैक्ट द 12 bit value from this instruction, because that basically where actually the address bits reside. Okay, हमें what is our objective? To extract the 12 bit address value from the instruction part. So that is why right indexing is required. आप 0 से 12 तक के बिट उठा लिए, बट अगर उसे हम लेफ्ट इंडेक्सिंग कर देते तो फिर आप कहाँ चेंज करते? यस,
Ma'am, 4 to 15.
yes,
From
then we
4 to
would
15.
have accepted. Yes, from 4 to 15 bits we would have accepted. Right, correct. Go ahead.
So now coming to the implementation, the IR part is clear. Now from the, I took this, now we have the address. So to use the memory access one to access this number and store it in the main data register. So now we have the number in data register and the number from console is in the accumulator register. So now I just added the numbers using the arithmetic here. So if you can see this one, I can choose add, subtract, or any one of them. So I've added them. So source one is accumulator, where I've taken the input from console.
Just hold on, Vivek. Click on drop down menu of this add operation. Now you can see that whenever you want to apply add operation, you will have to choose add. Whenever you need to apply subtract operation, you will have to choose subtract. Similarly, if you want to select either of multiply or divide, you need to choose multiply or divide operation, because in your program list, whichever is prescribed list of practicals, in which first 3 programs are based on subtraction, addition, and multiplication. Only this will be the change, as the remaining program will remain same. Okay, go ahead.
So now source one is my accumulator, source two is my the data register. So accumulator has the input from console, the data register has the sum which is in the memory, and I've stored it in the accumulator. And overflow bit, if the carryover happens, happens to be, if the calculation is very large, then I've made it halt bit so that the program halts without any errors. Now right is pretty right. In the right one, output in integer to console. So I've just written like this: output integer to console, type is integer, from buffer, from where it will pick up, accumulator, and direction is output. And then to store, actually I have seen the sample file which was given in the CPU sim by default, and I just use the same format which is used there. So let me just give the better naming.
Explain also.
Okay, ma'am. Just the better, I'll just give it a better name. 15 starting from 4. Okay. So coming here, so I've taken the IR, and this again the same thing which was done in the sum one, the sum bit thing. So let me just remove this one and get this
एक
one.
मिनट, विवेक अगेन मीनिंगफुली यू हैव मेंशनड रॉन्ग कि आपको IR से 4 to 15 bits you have to pick up, you have transferred it to memory. How you are doing? अच्छा, IR के आप 4 to 15 क्यों पिक अप करें अगर आपकी राइट इंडेक्सिंग है?
It should be 0 to 12.
It should be 0 to 11.
Okay, the same as the previous one. So I can just
Yeah.
remove this and take this here. Then from accumulator to the data register, I have taken it.
अच्छा, have you made sure कि आपकी implementation में भी 0 to 11 ही है, 12 bits ही है?
Yes,
देख
ma'am.
लिया है ना उसका?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
And just taken from the accumulator which has the values to the data, and from data it will be stored in the main memory and then halted it.
हाँ, आपको मैं बता रही हूँ ना, आप कर क्या रहे हैं कि एक नंबर को रीड कर रहे हैं, रीड करके फिर उसे मेन मेमोरी में स्टोर करा रहे हैं, फिर उसे आप नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में उसे एक्यूमुलेटर के साथ ऐड कर रहे हैं, फिर सेकंड डेटा को रीड कर रहे हैं, फिर उसे जो ऑलरेडी एक्यूमुलेटर में वैल्यू स्टोर थी फिर उसके साथ जाके एडिशन कर रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
This way you are doing the addition. Okay.
So now every single one of them is clear. So now just save the machine. I'm just gonna just do the normal, compiled it, and then started. So let's say 12 plus 12, output is 24, and
Correct.
execution halted normally.
अब ऐसे करो, इसे debug mode से execute करो. We'll see कि whether the 12 bits of that instruction are matched with whether the operand value of the operand that you are going to inputting from the keyboard is that value is being stored in memory, and exactly the address of that instruction matches to the 12-bit address part of the instruction. We'll see that.
Okay, ma'am.
पहले reset करो बेटा.
Reset the mode. So reset everything. Execute in debug mode.
No, before that you will have to assemble and load.
Reset
Because program should be loaded in the memory
Loaded.
in the machine language.
Loaded it. Debug.
Yeah, debug.
So let's go input number. So 10 I'm inputting. So 10.
एकदम से सी आपने नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन क्यों कर दिया? माइक्रो इंस्ट्रक्शन करो ना डिबग के बाद.
Okay.
We have to see the background details as well. इसे स्टॉप कर दो, डिबग को स्टॉप कर दो, एग्जीक्यूशन को स्टॉप करो. पहले एग्जीक्यूशन नीचे स्टॉप करो, स्टॉप द एग्जीक्यूशन बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन एग्जीक्यूट. हाँ, हो गया आपका. अब डिबग को डिसेबल करो. रिपीट ऑल द स्टेप्स, प्रीवियस स्टेप्स, reset again and then assemble and load, and again make use of debug. That way you have to do.
Debug. Yeah.
Reset everything, assemble and load.
Yes, ma'am. Started the debug after resetting and loading it.
ठीक है. Okay. Go step by micro. Yes.
Step by micro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it is showing all the background details. How internally all instructions are, micro instructions are being executed. Fetch sequence is working for the very first statement. Very first statement is the read statement. Okay, clear? You can observe what changes are being done. Now click on step by micro. PC will be incremented by 1. You can see the changes in PC register. Click on next micro.
The PC
Yes.
has been implemented.
It has been incremented by 1. Very nice. Click on next. Acha, now hold on. We are saying that fetch sequence has successfully worked for read statement. Means read की आपकी बाइनरी कोडेड वैल्यू क्या थी? Read की बाइनरी कोडेड वैल्यू आपके राइट साइड में वेरी फर्स्ट वर्ड पे स्टोर थी. All zeros successfully have been transferred to IR register. इसलिए because initially it was consisting of the value zeros, so no impact has been visualized. Now click on again. Yes. अब रीड स्टेटमेंट आपकी रीड का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट वर्क कर रहा है. Read statement is helping you to input the data from input output console. You can read any data. Yes.
So just 2 and
Achha,
end
as
it.
and when you have inputted the value 2, you can observe that in accumulator register. Read की आपकी statement क्या थी? Read से क्या था? आपका जो भी data input करेंगे आप accumulator में जाएगा, and you can observe as and when you are going to input the value, any value with the help of the read statement that is being stored in accumulator. The same value has been stored. Yes. Okay. Go ahead. Now the fetch sequence is working for the next statement. Next statement is your add statement.
So
add आपका क्या करेगा? 2 values को add करेगा. एक वैल्यू जो आप 2 ऑलरेडी इनपुट करा चुके हैं, और सेकंड वैल्यू जो आपकी इनिशियलाइज वैल्यू है, जो आपने सम स्टेटमेंट में डाउन साइड में इनिशियलाइजेशन स्टेटमेंट से दी थी, 0 वैल्यू दी थी. So that 0 will be added to this 2 value. So 2 plus 0, it will come up. It ultimately will be stored in the destination register, accumulator register. Yes. A fetch statement is working for add statement. Fetch में देखो next statement आपकी कौन सी है? Add statement की बाइनरी कोडेड वैल्यू मेमोरी में क्या पड़ी हुई है? यस बताओ विवेक.
ma'am, which one?
Add की fetch statement किसके लिए एग्जीक्यूट हो रही है? Let me know at present.
मैम ऐड की अभी करंटली तो फिर ये एड्रेस तो अभी सम है, बट वैल्यू लेगा accumulator से.
No, I am asking, just listen to my question. Fetch statement, our control is at the fetch statement, right? Isn't
Yes,
it? Now it is for which it will be fetching which binary coded value of which of the instruction. This is my question to you.
Binary coded value of which instruction?
Which instruction?
From right now it will get the value from the adding ones. So fetch
Add sum is a complete instruction. Add sum, right? Add is the OP code, sum is the address part of this instruction. कौन सी instruction? Add sum. इसकी binary coded value क्या है मेमोरी में? सेकंड वर्ड पे जो स्टोर है, 1th वर्ड पे स्टोर है, क्या है वो? All zeros and then 0 triple 1. You can see in memory. Come to the memory at second word. Bring your cursor. It is showing na, as and when you are bringing the cursor over to the second word 2, मतलब first word, you can see it is already reflecting you add sum. So it corresponds, this binary coded value corresponds to the instruction add sum. इसके जो 12 bits हैं, 12 bits कौन कौन से हैं बताओ? एक्सट्रीम राइट साइड में, बिकॉज ये राइट इंडेक्सिंग है, एक्सट्रीम राइट साइड में 12 bits है.
From here, from this entire bit.
हाँ, एक्सट्रीम, यस, ये 12 bits it will work as the address part. ये वही वाला एड्रेस पार्ट होगा जहां अल्टीमेटली सम के अंदर जो भी डेटा स्टोर करोगे, डाउन साइड में नीचे वर्ड में जाओगे, इट विल बी एग्जैक्टली सेम वैल्यू जो आपका एड्रेस में, अगर इस एड्रेस पार्ट को जो लेफ्ट साइड में एड्रेस है, अगर उसे बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करें, बाद में जाके उसी लोकेशन में जाके वैल्यू स्टोर होगी, एग्जैक्टली सेम आपका एड्रेस होगा. So whenever you are executing the debug mode, executing the program using the debug mode, line by line you have to observe actually what is the meaning of each and every statement, what actually that statement is doing. Okay, that you need to understand, then only you will learn the programming and you will be able to learn how to rectify your program. अब बताओ ये fetch sequence क्या कर रही है, बताओ जल्दी से, go ahead.
Fetch sequence is getting the fetch sequence is getting all the functionality which was stored in add sum and then implementing.
No, आपने क्या कहा? Fetch का meaning क्या है? To bringing the value. Fetch का meaning है fetching the value. Fetch क्या उठा रहा है? जो बाइनरी कोडेड वैल्यू है उसे उठा के IR रजिस्टर में डाल रहा है. अब लेफ्ट में देखो, IR में जीरोस वैल्यूज है. You can go to the left hand side. जीरोस वैल्यू है. जब ये fetch sequence का एग्जीक्यूशन एंड हो जाएगा, then you will see, you will observe, जो वैल्यू आपकी सेकेंड वर्ड में थी, exactly same value will be placed in IR register after the execution of fetch statement. You need to understand the functionality of fetch statement. Fetch statement कर क्या रही है? It is bringing up the binary coded value of the recent instruction on which the control of the CPU is. It will bring it binary coded value and place it in the IR register. अब देखो करके देखो, same value आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही? Yes, go to next statement.
Increment PC by 1.
PC will be incremented by 1 value हो गई, right? go to decode. Yes, click on my next. Decoding आपका internally होता है, so that is not depicted to you. Yes, click on next. Now yes, fetch is over. अब ऐसे करो, इसे बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट कर दो, IR की वैल्यू को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करो लेफ्ट साइड में. Then you see exactly whether it is the same value or not. ऊपर डेसिमल को बाइनरी में कर दो ना बेटा.
Okay. Binary.
बाइनरी. Now you can observe, इसे मैच करो 1-to-1 बेसिस पे. जो राइट साइड में 1th वर्ड के अगेंस्ट पड़ी हुई थी वैल्यू और जो IR रजिस्टर में है 16 बिट वैल्यू, वेदर बोथ वैल्यूज आर सेम और नॉट. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व why both values are same. These are exactly same due to the reason क्योंकि फैक्ट सीक्वेंस ने डेटा को उठाया. कहां से उठाया? वर्ड बाय वर्ड राइट हैंड साइड से एक इंस्ट्रक्शन के बाइनरी कोडेड वैल्यू को उठाया और उसे उठा के कहां प्लेस कर दिया? IR रजिस्टर में. तो दैट इज अल्टीमेटली इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ fetch sequence. fetch क्या करता है? It fetches the data, fetches the binary coded value of the instruction. कौन सी वाली इंस्ट्रक्शन? जिसपे आपका रिसेंटली कंट्रोल है. रिसेंटली आपको किस पे कंट्रोल है? add sum पे. add sum is a one complete statement, one complete instruction. It will be picking up the binary coded value of add sum from the memory. It will place it in the IR register. That is the significance of fetch sequence. Yes, next.
So now it accesses the main memory.
Now comes the execution part of this instruction. Till now only fetching has been done. Now execution will take place. Execution of what? Execution of add statement. Add statement का कैसे execution होगा? उसके 12 बिट से जो 12 बिट लोकेशन में जो डेटा होगा at present zeroth value है, zero value है some लोकेशन पे, because add sum है. sum क्या? ये 12 बिट राइट साइड में 12 बिट लोकेशन से डाउन साइड में जो 12 बिट सेम एड्रेस होगा वहां से जीरो वैल्यू उठाई, उसे उठा के एक्यूमुलेटर रजिस्टर में स्टोर कर दिया, ऐड कर दिया. यस, एक्सप्लेन करो विवेक.
So now it has picked up the MAR has from IR. I have shifted it to MAR. So the last 12 you can see 40400111 is being shifted to MAR, and the accumulator has the input from the console which was 2. So that is 10 in binary. So rest all the most significant bits are 0, and accumulator has the value from console. MAR has the value from the instruction register, which had got its value from the fetch sequence. So now moving on, when I just add it, now we are on the add part here. So added from ACC and MDR, the mean data register. The basic value was 0, so it is all zeros right now. And then when I'll add it, it will have the value as 10. So step by micro. Wait. 0010. Okay, it has been stored into accumulator. So accumulator has the value 10. The data, the sum of 0 and 2, it has been stored in the accumulator. And now the
you can convert it into the decimal and you can visualize. That will be easy.
So it has the value 2 now, accumulator, the sum of 0 and 2. Now let's step my micro, and then again it's reading the IR, and the fetch sequence goes on. So I've got this, and increment PC by program counter by 1. So program counter is now 3, because read and add. Before read it was 1, then 2, then 3 now. So decode IR once again. So
what store is doing?
Storing the sum in the main memory now.
In the memory, at which location?
Ma'am, in the MDR. Whichever location is there.
No, my question is, you are storing the data. Which data? Recently the summation data. 2 value you were talking about, जो कि accumulator में पड़ा हुआ है. You want to store this value from accumulator register to the memory at which location? At which location? At the 12 bits location, 12 bit address you have extracted from IR, and you have transferred it to AR. You can see in the implementation part of store upside. कौन सी मेमोरी को कैसे पता चलेगा किस एड्रेस पे जाके कौन सा वाला डेटा स्टोर करना है? You people are, as a user, as a programmer, you are giving the instruction to the computer. Store में देखो, store के implementation part ऊपर दिख रहा है. Bring the cursor over that. Yes, कि आपने IR के 12 bits को उठाए और उसे AR में डाला. AR मतलब AR will specify the address part. और एक्यूमुलेटर से पढ़ के उसे मेमोरी में डाला, किस एक्यूमुलेटर से कौन सा डेटा रीड किया, 2 जो रिसेंटली एडेड डेटा है, and that you are going to store it into the memory at which location you are going to specify. Location basically is the in the implied form is being stored as a 12-bit in the 12-bit capacity of IR register. IR register दिखाओ इस time 12 bits कौन से हैं उसके, show me IR in binary form. अब इसके 12 बिट्स को चेक करो एंड बाय दैट टाइम मेमोरी में एड्रेस पार्ट को भी बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट कर दो. राइट साइड एड्रेस को भी बाइनरी में स्पेसिफाई करो, एड्रेस पार्ट. यस, अब इसका देखो 12 बिट कौन कौन से हैं, वहीं पर जाके डेटा स्टोर होगा. इसको लोकेट करो नीचे जाके कि एग्जैक्टली सेम वैल्यू कहाँ पर है एड्रेस के अंदर. लास्ट के 011 आ रहा है, 011 लास्ट में
0100001.
Only we are not talking about 16 bits, we are talking about only 12 bits. 12 bits में आपके फर्स्ट 8 बिट्स 00 है, लास्ट 4 बिट्स आपके 011 है.
Okay, so
Beginning के
011.
यहाँ ये स्टॉप इट, ये यहाँ पर है, ये नीचे मिल गया.
Okay.
ये देखो 7 वाली लोकेशन, ब्रिंग द कर्सर. हाँ, यहाँ जाकर आप चेक करोगे जो आपकी 2 वैल्यू एक्यूमुलेटर से है एग्जैक्टली यहाँ के स्टोर होगी. उसे एड्रेस यहाँ पर मिला, लेफ्ट साइड में एड्रेस मिला यहाँ के. नाउ गो अहेड, आप एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट करो एंड देन यू कैन चेक इट कि एक्चुअली दैट वैल्यू इज बीइंग स्टोर्ड एट दिस लोकेशन. उसे एड्रेस कहाँ से मिला, 12 bit एड्रेस इज बीइंग स्टोर्ड इन IR रजिस्टर. यस,
So now first from accumulator it's going to data register.
और एक्यूमुलेटर में क्या वैल्यू है, 2 है. यस,
2 है. So accumulator the 10 has been stored into the data, and now from data it will be stored into the location
memory, into the memory at the same location. Which location? 12 bits location taken from IR register. Now you can observe कि यहाँ पर वैल्यू आई कि नहीं आई, एग्जैक्टली सेम वैल्यू. जो MDR में भी सेम वैल्यू आई थी, एक्यूमुलेटर में भी सेम वैल्यू थी. अल्टीमेटली इट हैज बीन शिफ्टेड टू मेमोरी. जब आपका एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट एंड हो जाएगा तब आएगी. एंड को चलाओ, स्टेप बाय माइक्रो.
Yeah. So 0111.
ये तो 7 वैल्यू है.
7, yes ma'am. I think
But
so
it
it has stored in another one. Okay, no.
एक्यूमुलेटर में आपकी क्या वैल्यू, नहीं, नो, सम मिस्टेक इज देयर. आपकी IR के 12 बिट्स आपने राइट साइड से एक्सेप्ट किए. Right at this location only the value needs to be stored. आपकी वैल्यू यहीं पर सेम वैल्यू स्टोर होनी चाहिए थी. आपका स्टोर का एग्जीक्यूशन
Some 01 and then 011 is exact.
तो आपका करेक्ट रिजल्ट कैसे दिखा रहा है ये?
हम किसी और में स्टोर कर रहा हूँ, आई गेस सो.
रीड से फिर आपने क्या किया,
तो मैं दूसरा इनपुट,
रूट से दूसरा इनपुट लिया. स्टोर इज नॉट वर्किंग परफेक्टली, स्टोर नहीं चल रही आपकी, लेकिन आपका एडिशन का काम हो रहा है. क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि उसने रीड से एक्यूमुलेटर से डेटा उठा लिया, वन डेटा, और दूसरा उसने फिर इनपुट आउटपुट कंसोल से इनपुट कराया. That's why it is giving you the correct addition. चलो इसे देखना जरा, ठीक है, बाद में देखना.
okay ma'am.
अभी चलो आगे चलो.
Okay, so decode IR and now read integer. So the second integer will be, let's say 3. So 3, the value is stored in accumulator and end. So now coming back here, it goes to MAR and then increase PC by 1 and then comes back here, and now we are in the add one part. So add is taking first from IRs, the last 12 bits is moving to the address register. So these values are taken from here to address register. Now we are adding from accumulator and MDR into the accumulator. So it's accumulating, and here now the value is here. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 101 is in the accumulator now. So from now again is in the fetch sequence it is there. So now again going from here, it's the IR increments PC by 1 and then this decodes and new. So now we are on the next line, the right line. So we are just outputting the counts, outputting the answer which was in the accumulator. So 5, it has been outputted here, and then it has been stopped now. I just going again, it has going to stop, increment PC by 1, decode IR, and then stop execution has come. So stop the execution. The status bit has been set to 1, and then end. It has been, the program is ended.
Okay, good, Vivek. Acha, Prakshit has mentioned that this is his first class. Prakshit, are you there in the group? I hope you are there in the group. So, आयुष जो अभी तक के सारे लेक्चर्स हैं उन्हें फॉरवर्ड कर देना उसमें ग्रुप में दोबारा से. एंड
Okay, ma'am.
विवेक आप सारे सीपीयू सिम के कर देना, मतलब
Okay,
कलेक्टिवली जो मैंने प्लेस किया हुआ है सब दोबारा से कर देना. ओके. एंड रिगार्डिंग द अदर स्टूडेंट्स, whether you are not doing practicals, only hardly 10 to 15 students have responded in the chat box that you have done their
Ma'am?
first program. Yes, beta.
मैम
Very good, Vivek. I am giving you 1 star. Yes, ask.
मैम मैंने जो ऐड वाला है प्रोग्राम वो दूसरे वर्जन से किया है और उसमें
एक-
एरर आ रही है मैम, एक वो फाइंड कर
Just
दो.
hold on. विवेक, आपका रोल नंबर क्या है?
4192.
92, विवेक. Okay. I am giving you 1 star. Very good. किसकी एरर आ रही है? Who has mentioned? What's your name, बेटा? किसकी
मैम
error है?
नितेश.
नितेश. अच्छा, और किसने किया एडिशन ऑफ 2 numbers? मनीष ने किया, आई थिंक.
Ma'am, I have done.
Manish, you
This
said
time,
na,
ma'am.
you have. Who has said?
Ma'am.
बेटा नेम बताओ.
Manish Sharma.
मनीष शो योर. अच्छा, नितेश आपकी एरर आ रही है. नितेश की
Yes.
एरर को पहले फाइंड आउट करते हैं, ठीक है?
यस मैम.
नितेश, या फिर what we can do, एक बार let me show my version of addition of 2 numbers, ठीक है? फिर मनीष का भी देखेंगे and then we'll discuss the error of Nitesh as well. Okay. And what about other students? Whether let me call them by name. I think then only they will. Aditya, you have not done. Aryan, Abhigyan, Abhiram, Abhishek, Akanksha, Akhil, and then Akhil Rana, Amarjeet. I'm asking
Akhil.
about your Akhil. Haan. Yes.
Akhil Tiwari. Ma'am,
Okay.
I got the computer just a few days back. I've set it up, and
ठीक.
I think I'll show it to you
By
in
tomorrow.
tomorrow's class.
Very good. Very good. And then Amit, Amarjeet, all of you are supposed to execute your programs on time. Anand, Ananta, Anfas, Anjali. So I mean it. Whenever I will calling your name, I mean it. I want the performance from each of you. Ashutosh, Aviral, 2 Ayush are there. 1 is okay, very good. 1 is 29, 1 is roll number 30. Bhavna, Divya, Chirag, Gargi, all students.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I have done half, ma'am, but it is not implemented full.
ठीक है, then utilize the today's day as well as I will join you tomorrow at 10 because I have to leave the class earlier due to the reason I told you that
Okay.
I have to attend the meeting. ठीक है, but आप लोग 9 o'clock onward start कर देंगे करना, and you will bring all the doubts in the class. And Harshita, 2 Harshitas are there, Hemant and Kashish, Komal.
Yes, ma'am.
Zera.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, Kashish.
Ma'am, I have tried the read one, and I had doubt in that. To resolve this.
तो शेयर करो बेटा, तो शेयर करो, या फिर what you can do after Is it resolved now? Resolved?
Ma'am.
After the completion of this class, you mutually can help each other. Ayush, Vivek,
Okay, ma'am.
Girish will be helping you all. Manish will be helping.
Okay.
ठीक है, जो बच्चे दिखा चुके हैं, they all will be helping you in solving your error, and you mutually can conduct a Google Meet. बेटा mute कर लो. You can mute your mic. Yes, you mutually can convene a meeting, and you can mutually help each other. Whosoever are being able to solve successfully can help each other. Okay. And then Manish Chauhan, Mayank, Muskan, Neha, Nitesh has shown the performance. Nitish and Om, Pankaj, Pramod, Prikshit, Rajveer, Rishabh. So all the Sandhya, Sahil, Riya, Sangeeta, Snoof, Shefali, Soumya, Suyash. Suyash is not your classmate, na? Last time Suyash had mentioned. Was this Suyash or who was he?
Ma'am, he was someone else.
That was Suryansh.
Suryansh. Okay. Okay, Om. Okay, very good. Whosoever has started working, very good. Vedika, Vaibhav, Vidhi. So all of you are supposed to complete today and show your output tomorrow. So let me share my screen. Okay, I would like to explain one version of AD program, and afterwards you can, even if you are having the queries, you mutually can resolve the queries. Let me share my screen. So we are going to get the interface of CPU sim by clicking on batch file. Soon it will start. It is taking some time. So we have in front of us the CPU, interface of CPU simulator. By default, the sample program is visible to you, but I will open the program for addition of two numbers. So by clicking on a file and then by coming to the open text file, it will be able to open the assembly language code of the program that I want to open. And I will go to folder and then a specific file named as text file. That text file is named as OKAD. And corresponding to this, I will open a machine file as well by going to file and then coming to the open machine. Again, it's the same name file having the different extension as .cpu. I would like to open it. This is OKAD machine. This is a machine file. Just by double clicking over it, I am being able to open the machine file as well. So I have in front of me the assembly language program to add two numbers. One number has been inputted from the keyboard with the help of the read statement. Add statement is there to add two numbers. To add which two numbers? One which has been inputted from the keyboard that has been stored in the accumulator register. Another number that has been initialized with the help of the sum statement. This downside statement and which number, this 1425 number, which has been stored in memory in some of the location. Which location has been stored in the location at present by default sequentially, whichever the address is met at that location, it is being stored. But eventually, whenever you would like to locate the value from there, so this address adds some address, and where actually this statement has been, this add value has been say stored, this will be exactly same. When you will be observing minutely, then you will see that the 12-bit address, the address part of this entire instruction is the same where actually this 1425 value is being stored in the main memory. Okay, that I would like to show you. Now let me execute this program. First of all, by default, the first step is reset everything. It will clear the entire data, and afterwards you need to assemble and load. As and when you click on assemble and load, automatically this entire file, assembly language file, will be converted in terms of zeros and ones, and it is being stored in the consecutive words. If you bring the cursor over this very first line, you can see it is going to represent the statement start read. And as and when you are bringing the cursor, because internally when you will observe the size given to the memory, that because 8-bit cells have been assigned to one word, and that's why it is going to, one instruction is being to occupy 2 words in the memory in place of 1 word. If you would have given the size of 16-bit cell size 16-bit, then only the one instruction would be stored in the capacity of 1 word only. But here one instruction is being stored in the capacity of 2 words. You can observe the size of the memory of this program. What is the size of the memory? It is, you can go to RAMs and you can observe size is 1024 words. Size of each and every word is of 8 bits. That's why 8-bit have been assigned to each and every word. That is why the size of the data is 8 bits. Again 8 bits, but size of instruction is 16 bits. Oh, sorry, I need to again assemble and load, right? So that way, the entire program gets converted in terms of zeros and ones and loaded into the main memory. Now comes up the execution part. Now what will happen? Line by line, this binary coded value, this is the binary coded value of very first instruction. Then this is the binary coded value, this entirely, that comprises of 2 words. It is being stored in 2 words. This binary coded value corresponds to add sum. The next binary coded value corresponds to write. Next binary coded value corresponds to stop, and that way. Now I need to execute this program, and I'm going to make use of debug mode. Assemble and load. Prior to the debug mode, you need to execute assemble and load, that we already have done with. Now I will click on debug. Debug will go line by line, and it will, first of all, the control is coming to the fetch statement. Fetch will fetch the binary coded value. What is the significance of fetch sequence? It is basically the very first phase of instruction cycle that we will study in 5th chapter. What is the significance of fetch sequence? It basically will be bringing the or fetching the binary coded value of very first instruction and will be placing it in the IR register. You can observe the very first, the binary coded value of very first instruction is 0011 zeros, and whereas the binary value of IR is all zeros initially. So after the execution of this fetch statement, you can observe the change. Whatever is the value decided in the very first location, in the first 2 words location, that will be brought from memory and will be placed in IR register. So after once the execution of fetch sequence finishes, you can observe afterwards that the value that is being stored in IR is exactly same as the value stored in first 2 words, in the capacity of first 2 words, because that corresponds to the binary coded value of read statement. Now I'm going to click on step by micro. Step by micro, whenever you will click on step by micro, it will go by micro instruction by micro instruction. The execution will go by the smaller instructions. But if you click on step by instruction, it straightforward will switch from read to add and then write from the macro instructions. It basically will switch from macro instruction. Now I'm clicking on step by micro. Step by micro, what it will do? It will transfer the address of PC to MAR. Address of very first instruction is 0. So there directly will be no impact on the value of PC as well as AR. Still I'm going to click on it, step by micro. And next, the control has come to the next statement. What is the next statement? I'm going to, sorry, some mistake I have done. So let me stop it again and show you again. We can go by, it has, I want to back by one instruction. Yes, now I would like to, I have come back. So step by micro. What I want to do, I want to transfer this value to the MDR. पहले वो MDR में जा रही है, फिर MDR से IR में जा रही है. तो unnecessarily ये statement को eliminate किया जा सकता है. Directly you can transfer the statement value from M of AR to IR. तो बीच में जो unnecessarily incorporated statement है, MDR register, no need to incorporate that register because it will take more time. Unnecessarily, it has taken the more execution time and more space of the memory. So first of all, what has been done in this fetch sequence? Memory से very first instruction MDR में गई, MDR से IR में गई. You can view step by micro. तो आप अब MDR के contents को you can observe zero ही है because initially वो zero ही था. अब MDR से वो IR में गई and PC has been incremented by 2. Why the PC? Now you can see that you can I'm going back by one micro instruction. MDR से आपके IR में आ गई. MDR में भी same value आ चुकी है and from MDR to IR you can see the entire value will be transferred to MDR में. You can observe the very first statement थी binary coded value that has come to the MDR, that has been transferred. It corresponds to the read statement, binary coded value of read statement. And after this MDR से पहले आपका पहले MDR में आई थी, then from MDR से it is going to the IR. Now click on step by micro. Now you can observe it has been transferred to IR. Now this exactly is the meaning of fetch statement. Fetch statement मतलब whichever the data is being stored in the main memory in the binary coded form, line by line that will be brought from the main memory and that will be placed in the IR register. IR register मतलब now system is ready to execute that instruction because that instruction, binary coded value of that instruction has been brought into the IR register. Now the CPU further will read the data from the IR register itself. It will not directly read from the memory. Now line by line, register by register, it will read from the instruction register, and the 12 bits of this instruction register will work as the address part of the operand where actually operand is being stored in the memory. Okay, अब आपकी IR में आ चुकी है डेटा है. Further decode आपका implement होगा internally of its own. Then it will be step by micro. Decode पे गया and afterwards it has ended and now it has come to the read statement. Read का implementation part. It will help you to read the data in the accumulator register. Step by micro जो भी आप read करेंगे that फिर से मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ किया. See, you can see. So the execution has been halted. What you can do, या तो आप इसे stop करिए. I have clicked on some wrong instruction. That's why. Or else, what can I do? Step by micro, you can go. Let me clear it first. Clear console, and you can again. You can stop it and you can further go. And step by micro. Yes. Now it is asking for some of the integral values from the console. I'm giving say 60 value. Okay, this value will go to the accumulator. Now you can see no value is there in the accumulator. Accumulator straightforward is consisting of 0 value. Now after it, I click on enter. This value will go into the accumulator register. Step by micro. Some fault is there in this program.
Ma'am, you have to press enter.
Enter I have not pressed. Execution में थोड़ा सा issues हो गए हैं आपके. एक मिनट. Yes, step by micro. And let me input the value 60 and then enter. Yes, as and when I click on enter, value has been transferred to accumulator register. और उसके बाद next हमारा क्या assumed है? Again control should come to the किसमें? fetch for the add statement. तो step by micro. Yes, again control has come to the fetch. अब किसकी टर्न है? अब इसकी टर्न है add sum की. add sum की बाइनरी कोडेड वैल्यू कहाँ स्टोर जाकर होगी? आपकी मेमोरी में. दिस इज द बाइनरी कोडेड वैल्यू ऑफ add sum. ओके, इसके जो 12 बिट्स हैं, वाई 12 बिट्स? आपका जो एड्रेस पार्ट है उतने आपके बिट्स एड्रेस का काम करेंगे इस केस में. 1 2 3 4 5, हाँ ठीक है, 12 बिट्स ही काम करेंगे आपके, राइट. सो व्हाट हैज टू बी डन नाउ? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फेच स्टेटमेंट है. फेच स्टेटमेंट क्या करेगी? इस बाइनरी कोडेड वैल्यू को उठाएगी जो ऐड के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग थी और उठा के उसे एमडीआर में शिफ्ट करेगी, एमडीआर से उसे आईआर में डालेगी. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, फेच सीक्वेंस को चलाना है. देन स्टेप बाय माइक्रो, अगेन स्टेप बाय माइक्रो. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व कंट्रोल आपका एमडीआर से आईआर में. एमडीआर में आपकी सेम वैल्यू आ चुकी है. फ्रॉम वेयर इट हैज बीन ब्रॉट? इट हैज बीन ब्रॉट फ्रॉम दिस memory, from the word 2 onwards. You can match it bit by bit. Exactly, it is exactly the same value as was being stored in memory. So MDR say where will it be transferred? It will be transferred to IR register. Initially this value is there in the IR register. Now the new value will take place, will be overwritten over IR register. Now step by micro. Again I have clicked on step by micro. You can observe that now the IR register and MDR are consisting of the same value. Okay, now the decode, step by micro, decode will work, and then afterwards, now control has come to the add statement. Now I would like to explain you the implementation part of the add. That is very, very important. Now 12 bits will be extracted from IR register and will be stored. This is the address part. What actually we are doing? We are inputting one value from input output console with the help of the read statement, and that value is being stored in AR register. AR से आपकी कहाँ, AR register में आपकी, एक मिनट, you can see in decimal form. Yes, this value is 60, and this value needs to be added to another value which is being stored somewhere in the memory. Which value? That you earlier had initialized. ये 1425 value, 1245 value आपकी कहाँ जाके store हुई है? That will have to see, convert it into the decimal part and just scroll it. 1425 आपकी. This is a big number, I think. This is the value 1425, but that fully cannot be accommodated within this capacity. तो इसे थोड़ा सा छोटा नंबर कर लेते हैं हम. But again you will have to what you will have to do for that you will have to again assemble and load. तब ये जाके वैल्यू स्टोर होगी. बाद में धीरे धीरे इसे नंबर को बढ़ाना आप. So assemble and load again. Let me do assemble and load, but I think debug को हटाना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. And then first of all I will have to save the file because I have made changes. ये हमने save text किया, and then assemble and load. Assemble and load करके now you can observe that for 150 value that you had initialized has been stored in some of the location in memory. You can see जिसका क्या address क्या था आपका, ये है आपका address part, ये bin, ये आपका address part है, and इसका binary form आपका ये है, right? तो किस लोकेशन में आपका स्टोर हुआ था? 150 स्टोर हो गया. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट. अब मैं डायरेक्टली आई एम नॉट मेकिंग यूज ऑफ डिबग. मैं आपको एक बार करके दिखा देती हूँ. रीसेट एवरीथिंग, असेंबल एंड लोड. असेंबल एंड लोड में आप देख सकते हैं कि दिस 150 वैल्यू हैज बीन स्टोर्ड. वेयर इट हैज बीन स्टोर्ड, यू कैन सी it has been stored in the memory at this location. Which location? This location, 9 in decimal, whereas in binary this is the location, and this will be exactly the same address. ये 12 bits वही होंगे, 12 bits exactly will be the same. कौन से वाले? जो add location के sum को denote कर रहे हैं. add location के sum को binary में इसे convert करो, it will be exactly the same 12 bits. add instruction देखो कहाँ से store हो रही है, ये आपके 12 बिट्स एग्जैक्टली इट विल बी सेम. आपकी सम इंस्ट्रक्शन कहाँ गई? सम इंस्ट्रक्शन, दिस इज योर सम इंस्ट्रक्शन, राइट? और आपका 12 बिट्स कौन से वाले हैं? This is your sum instruction. 150 12 bit में let me see 2 raised to power 12 4096 इसकी कैपेसिटी है. इसमें सेम वैल्यू क्यों नहीं आ रही? आपकी सेम आनी चाहिए. It is not showing you the same value ना. 011. It should be same value, exactly same value. ये आपकी रीड स्टेटमेंट है. आप इसे करके देखना, इट विल बी एग्जैक्टली सेम वैल्यू. इसे फिर से ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. बाय दैट टाइम लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट ऑफ ऐड स्टेटमेंट. This is the implementation part, and this address part is instruction format will consist of two fields, OP code and address part. Address is the required field. It is a compulsory field, mandatory field. It cannot work as unused. Why mandatory field? क्योंकि ये 12 bit capacity से डाउन साइड में जो 150 मैंने बताया था स्टोर होगा, it will be stored exactly at the same location. वहाँ पर कुछ मिस इंटरप्रिटेशन है, we'll see again.
मैम वो सही है.
सही है बेटा, वो देखो.
मैम वो 8 बिट जब हम करेंगे तो 128 प्लस 16 प्लस 4 प्लस 2.
एक मिनट कहाँ हुआ वो एड्रेस पार्ट? उसका आपका ऐड इंस्ट्रक्शन कहाँ जाके स्टोर हुई? यहाँ हुई थी. ये ऐड के 12 बिट्स तो हुए 4 times 0 and 1 3 times 0, राइट? और हाँ ठीक तो है. राइट. आई एम लुकिंग एट इट्स वैल्यू. आई हैव टू लुक एट इट्स दिस एड्रेस पार्ट. ये है ना एड्रेस पार्ट, सेम तो है. ये देखो, you can see this address is exactly same as the 12 bit part of this instruction, isn't it? Same. 4 times 0 and 1 000. Similarly आप इसे देखो कितने हैं ये? 4 times 0 12 bit exactly same है आपके. ये एड्रेस को कितने बिट्स असाइन हुए आपके? कितने बिट का एड्रेस है? ये आपके 4 और 4 8 और 2 10. ये 10 बिट्स है. 10 बिट एड्रेस है बिकॉज आपका मेमोरी का साइज ही अकॉर्डिंगली गिवन है. तो ये 12 बिट ना होके आपका 10 बिट एड्रेस है बिकॉज वी हैव गिवन द साइज ऑफ द मेमोरी इन सच ए मैनर. यू कैन सी. ये देखिए 2 raised to power 10 है. 2 raised to power 10 मतलब एड्रेस बिट्स को 10 बिट्स असाइन हुआ है. इफ यू वुड हैव गिवन 4096 तो आपका 2 raised to power 12 होता था. ओके, सो यहाँ पे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द साइज ऑफ द एड्रेस एज 10 बिट्स. सो ये 10 बिट्स आपके एग्जैक्टली सेम है. जहां पे जाके अल्टीमेटली ये आपके सेम है एग्जैक्टली 10 बिट्स वही है जो आपका यहाँ पर आपका ऐड स्टेटमेंट सेव हुई थी. ऐड स्टेटमेंट आपके यहाँ सेव हुई थी. Again you will have to click on assemble and load. वो आपका डिलीट हो गया. Now let me show you your implementation part of add statement. Yes. So implementation में how the addition will take place. Addition what actually it has to do. एक डेटा एक्यूमुलेटर में था और दूसरा इसी मेमोरी में 12 बिट लोकेशन से उस डेटा को उठाना है. कहां से उठाना है? बिकॉज सिस्टम ऑलरेडी नो कि IR रजिस्टर के 4 to 15 बिट्स. अगर ये लेफ्ट इंडेक्सिंग है, आई थिंक दिस इज लेफ्ट इंडेक्सिंग, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज गिविंग इन दिस मैनर. लेट मी चेक इट कि इसकी स्पेसिफिकेशंस क्या है. इफ इट वुड हैव बीन राइट इंडेक्सिंग तो वो 0 से 11 बिट्स को उठाता. लेट मी चेक इट बाय गोइंग टू द इंडेक्सिंग ऑप्शन. या हियर द लेफ्ट indexing has been chosen. And that's why there the specification of the bits are given from 4 to 15. Why 4 to 15? I told you the reason. Add statement पे click करो. Implementation. क्योंकि आपका लेफ्ट इंडेक्सिंग मतलब वो लेफ्ट साइड से रीड करना स्टार्ट करेगा. 0th bit, 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit, and then 4 bit, then 5 bit. So from 4th to 11 bits, 4 to 15 bit, it will comprise your 12 bits if it is left indexing. But if you have given right indexing, so you will start reading from right hand side. So it will interpret the extreme right hand bit as a 0th bit, then 1th bit, then 2th bit. In that case, you would have specified from 0 to 11 bit. Okay, that will be the change. So if you made use of left indexing, you have given within IR from 4 to 15 bits you are going to extract. That will work as the address part. Address of the operand that will be transferred to this address will be transferred to AR register. From ARth location from the memory, that data will be which data? 150 data. Earlier I have initialized this 150 data ना. This is stored somewhere in the memory. और उसके 12 बिट वही वाले हैं जो आपके ऐड स्टेटमेंट के ऊपर वाले हमने देखे थे. उसी लोकेशन से it will be extracted from the memory and it will be placed in MDR register. Then one of the operand was initially stored in accumulator register that you have stored with the help of the read statement. Another operand you have brought from the memory and you have placed in the MDR register. Both have been added and both have been transferred back to the accumulator register, and that way you will be able to view the final result. So this is the background details. If you want, I will send you the source code of this file as well as the machine file. Okay, it will help you. Let me directly execute this program now. Assemble and load and then run. I hope all of you are being able to understand now. One data is being already initialized as 150 value. Another data I am going to input from keyboard, that is the 350. Both values have been added and final result has been displayed on input output console. Fine. Again, you can make use of debug mode and now you can visualize कि जो 12 bit वाला है वो exact आपका same address आएगा. Line by line you have to interpret, and still you are having some of the queries you can or doubts, you can bring all the doubts in tomorrow's class. Okay, any other doubt? This is the first version. Second version is basically you are going to read both the data from keyboard, both the data. Let me open another program as well. As Vivek had shown you, this is another version of addition program. This open text. I don't have this is add version 2. I think this is not the same program I'm talking about, rather it is the program number 8 of your program file. Yes, this basically consists of 2 read statement and store statement is there to store the data whichever you have read, and that is being stored in accumulator, that will store in the memory at the location which you are going to specify. Okay, that you have to take care. So this is another version of addition program. Let me show you the program list, your program list, and how many programs you have to do till now, the concepts based on the concepts we have done. So let me show you the list of the programs. You will be able to attempt now few of the programs. This is your, I hope this is your syllabus. I already have shared with you this syllabus as well as that consists of your all the programs listed in your course. We are coming to CSA. So this is the machine you are assumed to make. This is the size of the memory you have to take. 4096 words into 16 bits. In place of 8 bits, rather you start using 16 bits. And this kind of instruction format you have to make. OP code, address. Minimally, you have to have the 2 operands, 2 components. OP code, you have to begin with the OP code and address. And later on, we'll introduce mode bit as well. Okay. And these are the different registers you are supposed to utilize. IR register, capacity of IR will be 16-bit. DR will be 16-bit. AC will be 16-bit, AR will be 12 bits, size of PC will be 12 bits, I is a mode bit, that will be 1 bit, carry bit in case it is required, then it will be of 1 bit capacity. And the version of the CPU sim will be 3.6.9 onwards. Any of the version you can download, and that is freely downloadable. In addition to the CPU simulator, you will need to install JVM, Java Virtual Machine or Java Programming that is a prerequisite to install your CPU simulator. And we are talking in terms of all these instructions. Add instruction basically at present we are working on, and then load and store. STA basically refers to the store instruction. Just now you have talked about कि अगर आप accumulator से memory में जाके store कर रहे हैं तो that will be called as store instruction. और अगर memory से उठा के data अगर accumulator में डाल रहे हैं, that will be termed as a load instruction, right? That we'll study step by step all these instructions, and afterwards ये देखिए, all these instructions will be addressed in terms of direct addressing as well as indirect addressing. Whenever we'll later on introduce mode bit, then we'll start talking in terms of direct address as well as the indirect address instruction. And downside, till now what you will be able to execute, refer to chapter 5 of reference 1 for description of instructions. Design the register set, that you already have done with. Memory you already have done with. The instruction set one by one you will keep on introducing. Acha, always you utilize one machine only, and you keep on adding the more instructions corresponding to the whatever the kind of the machine instructions you are going to introduce. Keep on doing the adding more micro instructions in the same machine in place of making different machines. Use this machine for the assignments of this section. 2, program number 2, create a fetch routine of the instruction cycle that you already have implemented, because fetch routine or the fetch sequence is mandatory for each and every program for its execution. Then next program is write an assembly language program to simulate add operation on 2 user entered numbers. There are two versions of add program you have to do. One first version you have to enter one number from keyboard and you have to initialize one number in the memory. And the second version will be both the numbers have to be inputted by from the keyboard only. Program number 4, write an assembly language program to simulate subtract operation on 2 user entered numbers. So in a similar manner as you have done the add program, you have to apply the subtract program also. Now we will come to question number 6. Write an assembly language program to simulate multiply operation on 2 user entered numbers. So after the completion of subtract, you will have to execute multiply operation. And once you have done with this, you start doing question number 5. What is the question number 5? Write an assembly language program to simulate the following logical operation. Earlier you had chosen arithmetical operations. Under the arithmetical operation, you had chosen either add, subtract or multiply operation. But when you will be dealing with the 5th program, then in that case, you will have to, from the operation box, you will have to choose logical operations, and it will show you multiple options, and or not. The way you do the ANDing at the binary level, it of its own, it will be doing it on decimal numbers, and ultimately by manually deriving the AND operation or OR operation, NOT operation, you will be cross-checking the data, cross-checking your results. Okay, and once you have done with till question number 6, then you will be switching to this 7th program. In 7th program, add you already have done with. Load is for loading into the accumulator. Store is to storing from memory to the accumulator. Then slowly we'll be doing one statement, and then we'll doing next statement, and so on. Okay, तो अभी आप कल तक क्या करेंगे? Read instruction, add instruction, subtract instruction and multiply. And जिसका होता जाएगा वो आगे करते चले जाएंगे. Okay, then we'll be meeting tomorrow now. And now Chirag and Piyush, these two mark the attendance. बेटा दोनों मार्क करके मुझे भेज देना व्हाट्सएप पर.
मैम.
यस बेटा.
हम पीपीटी में कौन से वाले प्रोग्राम हमें दिखाने हैं?
हाँ, आप लोग पीपीटी बनाकर शेयर कर लो, या तो ऐड के लिए कुछ कर लो. आप कुछ लोग ऐड का दिखा देंगे, कुछ सब्ट्रैक्ट का दिखा देंगे, कुछ मल्टीप्लाई दिखा देंगे, और कुछ एंड सो ऑन एज पर योर कंफर्ट जोन. ठीक है
मैम. डीबग मोड
सबको एक प्रोग्राम को डीबग मोड भी करना है. एज मच एज यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इन द पीपीटी. फुल कंप्लीट एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ वन प्रोग्राम इन ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स, फ्रॉम ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स की डीबग से करना है, उसके स्क्रीनशॉट्स डालने हैं, माइक्रो इंस्ट्रक्शन करनी है. देन यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इन द क्लास. ओके
मैम, वन मोर क्वेश्चन.
Yes, please.
मैम जो आपने
हाँ,
असाइनमेंट
बोलो
दिया
बेटा।
है उसमें जो क्वेश्चन आपने
हाँ।
दिए वो दो तो सेम है, तो सबमिट कौन सा असाइनमेंट करना है?
अच्छा, तो सेम है तो एक ही बार कर लो ना। अच्छा, एक और है कि मैंने एक आपका स्टेटमेंट चेंज की थी, मेमोरी का साइज चेंज किया था, बट दैट वाज गोइंग बियॉन्ड द लिमिट ऑफ वर्ड साइज। तो वर्ड साइज आप 64 बिट कर लेना, जहां पर मेमोरी का साइज आपका एनहांस किया था। एक मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया था आपको इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द असाइनमेंट। ओके, इफ यू स्टक
Yes,
अप विद
ma'am.
द प्रॉब्लम,
Yes, ma'am.
तो उसमें, हाँ, तो उसमें आप ऑफ योर ऑन उसमें आप 64 बिट्स कर लेना वर्ड का साइज, राइट। और जहां पे रेपिटेशन हो रही है क्वेश्चन की, यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट वंस ओनली। और जो आज मैंने
मैम
अपलोड किया
वी
है
हैव टू सबमिट
असाइनमेंट,
2 असाइनमेंट्स और 1 असाइनमेंट।
इट्स अप टू यू, कंबाइन करके एक ही में कर देना, नो इशू।
यस मैम, जो पहले दिया था वो कर लिया है, तो उसी के आगे जो क्वेश्चन उसमें नहीं थे वो इसमें उसी के आगे करके सबमिट कर
उसी
दो।
में कर लो, यस। और रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 4 and 5, if you want, I can take your doubts in the class, because I think you will stuck up with the problems in question number 3, 4 and 5. कर लेंगे, डिस्कस कर लेंगे क्लास में, नो इशू। बट टुमारोज क्लास एंटायरली विल बी बेस्ड ऑन CPU सिम। आप लोग करके दिखाएंगे कल की क्लास में। आई विल बी ज्वाइनिंग यू एट 10 o'clock. Be ready with all your programs and be ready to explain all your programs. जो PPT का कहा है तो कल टुमारो जिस का हो जाए वो कल मुझे अपनी PPT के थ्रू या फिर एग्जीक्यूशन के थ्रू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट। Is that okay? Now you can leave the class and
Yes,
Piyush
ma'am.
and Chirag mark the attendance and send me on WhatsApp. So now you can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay then.
Thank you, ma'am.